When a database is small, everything is simple. You open a few tables, check the relationships, and it all makes sense. But once your database schema grows, hundreds or even thousands of tables, everything changes. Finding what you need takes longer. Changing the structure feels risky. And keeping all environments in sync becomes difficult. This is where a visual tool like DbSchema can help you stay organized and in control. Instead of one giant, unreadable diagram, DbSchema lets you split your schema into multiple diagrams. You can create a layout for orders and transactions, another for customers and billing, and one more for HR or reporting. Each layout shows only what you need, so you can finally make sense of a big database. And don't worry about scale. DbSchema can handle more than 10,000 tables in a single project. Editing a large schema directly in production is a dangerous practice. In DbSchema, you can make changes visually in the diagram. Then use Schema Compare to see exactly what's different between your model and the live database. DbSchema generates the migration script for you. You can review it, test it in development, and apply it safely in production, so you always know what's changing.
With DbSchema, you generate interactive documentation straight from your schema. It starts with a clickable diagram. Tables, views, and foreign keys. All visual and connected. Read the comments your team added. They're included automatically. And when the schema is huge, use the search bar to find what you need instantly. Open a view to see its SQL definition. Interactive docs you can host on an internal site and share with the whole team.
How to manage multiple environments in DbSchema. In most real projects, you don't have just one database. You usually work with development, staging, and production. In DbSchema, you can manage all of them in a single project. Open Manage Connections and create a connection for each environment. A schema from the design model can be mapped to a different schema in the database. From the top drop-down, switch between them with one click. The diagram stays the same because it belongs to your design model. But all actions like comparing or running queries will apply to the selected connection. This way you can safely test, compare, and generate migration scripts, even if everything runs on the same computer. Once your environments are ready, you can also explore and test the data itself. DbSchema includes several visual tools that make this easy. Use the Visual Query Builder to design complex joins without writing SQL. Open the Relational Data Explorer to navigate how rows link between tables. And with the data generator, create thousands of test rows instantly to check performance before deploying new features. These tools help you understand and test your database visually. No manual queries required. DbSchema helps you visualize huge schemas, manage multiple environments, and document everything in one place. Download DbSchema for free and try it today.